coming out, he's 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 coming out. It's there.
Hello guys, and the next mission is to escort Quark to a zoo. This Quark's own zoo. There is video games.
These are your quarters. I set up the VG9000 to play vid comic discs.
Just like PS3.
How do you think he got like this? Well, the life of an intergalactic superhero can be very stressful. Anyway, you're telling me this nutcase is our only hope for stopping Nefarious? We're hosed.
This is the VG9000 game system.
Yes, I know.
If you have a vid comic, you could play it here.
Nice to know. You are going to meet a video game. Yes, now I need to meet a Shasha on the bridge.
Great. Meet me on the bridge.
Mahtavaa. Pretty good music. There is some kind of soldiers. Spaceship.
Press triangle to interrupt these messages. You can disable help messages in the options menu.
Yes. Okay, here we go. This is the bridge.
We're losing the signal. Try boosting the power.
Isn't that the president?
They came out of nowhere! Tyrannoid invasion force!
President.
Presidential
Tarja
command
Halonen.
breached. Cannot hold out much longer here.
Mr. President! Dad! Are you there?
Oh, he has a daughter.
Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy, the hour of your liberation is at hand! Too long have we robots suffered under the bigotry, the stupidity, the squishiness and foul stench of organic life forms. Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and equality of my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated. That's all for now.
Yes, that's all for now.
On the course for Marcadia. Maximum speed. Prepare the dropship for planetary assault. We're going in.
We'll see you on Marcadia.
Okay, Marcadia.
Marcadia.
That's the third planet. Yeah.
To view your current missions, select the missions menu from the pause screen.
Oh, look, Ratchet is
A new
walking
suit of
so
armor
funny.
is available at the Gadgetron armor vendor.
I don't think I have enough.
Money.
Yes, to buy that.
They are so expensive.
Those shoulders okay. Are they gay or why they are always walking together?
I think so.
Okay, Marcadia. It looks like Mars. Or Uranus. Suomeksi Uranus. In Finnish. Okay. Oh, I hit myself. Oh, okay, this is Marcadia. It looks pretty bad.
Glad you made it, sir. The presidential compound is on the other side of the city. Keep your head down. The turnoids are crawling all over the place.
I'm going to kill those turnips.
You can't afford to buy any of them.
Yes, I can actually. This is pretty good weapon.
N60 Storm.
Yes.
It is some kind of submachine gun.
This is my most used weapons. One of my most used weapons. Do you use this weapon also? Pretty much.
In this level there are 2 secret places.
Yes.
And one of these places have, both of these places have a titanium bolt. It is big like that tyrannoid car.
Yes.
It is bigger than Ratchet himself.
But we don't go those places right now. We are just trying to beat this level. Oh, that's a trap.
Let's get that.
No, you don't.
Oh no, they are killing you.
No, they aren't.
If you go behind that corner, you will find a secret place.
Yes.
But we won't be going to the secret place because we don't have time to go to the secret place.
Ammo. Oh, there is an armor.
You can actually buy this armor, but it's
Pretty expensive.
and it looks so stupid.
Yes, you can't even see Ratchet's face. I mean.
Nice shooting, sir. A second wave of turnoids just landed. They're attacking the compound from the other side. We could sure use your help.
You got it.
Follow me to the dropship.
You aren't stop.
Just run through.
No, don't tease my buddies.
Should I?
Yes.
Secure. Elikkä suomeksi turva-alue.
Is these extra missions or
These are the missions that you
main
have to.
it's
You
main
will
mission?
have to
Sarge, you're just in time. We must defend
Do.
the presidential
Right,
palace.
main mission.
The noise are dropping in reinforcements.
No. I killed them. You won't go here. I have to only kill those.